Hello student. Myself Piyush Mathur from Department of Electrical Engineering, Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. My video lecture is based on subject utilization of electrical power, and my topic is overhead equipment for traction system, which is in according to RTU syllabus unit number 4. In previous video lecture, we had studied about the track electrification of traction system. So in this video lecture, we are studied about the overhead equipment for traction system. So first of all, the equipment system OHE are generally two system of current collection by a traction unit. It means then if we want the decided the track electrification such as DC system, single phase AC system, three phase AC system or composite system. After decided of track electrification, we can use the current collection of the traction unit. So there are the two types, third rail system and second is overhead wire system. So there are the basic collectors, current collectors. The simplest type of overhead equipment of a single contact wire of a hard draw of copper, because the conductivity of copper is very high, or silico broach is supported either by bracket or on an overhead span. Span means the distance between two adjacent poles is called span. To facilitate the connection to the support, the wire is grooved as shown in figure. So there are the grooved as the shown in figure, because there are is the appreciable sag of the wire between support. It limits the speed of the traction unit about 30 km per hour. So the current collector also depend on the speed of the traction or railway system. For collection of current by high speed trains, for the if we take example for mainline service, the contact or trolley wire has to be kept level without any abrupt changes in its high between the supporting structure. It can be generally done by using single catenary system. So in this slide we see this diagram. There are the two poles and the conductor are connected between the two poles. So these are the catenary. The purple arrow show them. There are the catenary. There are the droppers. There are the contact wire. There are the create the sac, and there are the railroad. So these are the structure or overall uh, any system connected with the traction system. So generally it can be done by using the signal catenary system, which consists of generally one catenary or messenger wire of steel with high sag and the trolley. It means that or contact wire supported from messenger wire by means of droppers. So there are the droppers clipped to both wire. So in this slide we see the diagram. The droppers are connected with one wire and two wires. So connected with two wires. It has been found that the current collection from overhead wire is far superior so that from the third rail. Moreover, insulation of the third rail at high voltage becomes an impracticable proposition and endangers the safety of the working personnel. So, say the many advantage of the catenary system if we can use of the traction system for as a overhead equipment. Collector gear for OHE, it means that overhead equipment. The most essential requirement of collector is generally it should be keep continuous contact with trolley wire at all speeds. If wire are removed, then the speed of trolley is or traction system are down. So there are important role. Wire is must be continuous contact when running along the track. There are three type of gear are commonly used: trolley collector, bow collector, and pantograph collector. The trolley collector is such a just like a tramway single conductor. The collector is employed generally tramway or trolley buses is mounted on the roof of the vehicle. with the overhead wire, which is made by means of a grooved wheel or a sliding shoe carried off the end of a light trolley pole. So, is the benefit of the grooved wheel. There are the run along the wire with continuously contact or sliding shoe carried at the end of light trolley pole attached to the top of the vehicle and held in the contact with overhead wire by means of a spring, by the help of spring. The pole is hinged to swiveling base so that it may be reversed for reverse running, thereby making it unnecessary for the trolley wire is to be accurately maintained above the center of the track. Generally, this type of current collector, basically, we can say that the generally to operate in the trailing position. The trolley collector is suitable for low speed up to 32 km per hour, beyond which there is a risk of its jumping off of overhead contact wire, particularly at point and crossing. So there are the important advantage. If we talk about the next current collector gear, the bow collector. So in this diagram we see that there are the vehicle roof. If we take example car roof, there are the contact wires. So there are the bow collector. It can be used at higher speed. Its benefit is it consists of two metal mounted on trolley poles at the end of which is placed a light metal strip about 1 meter along for current collection. The collection strip is purposely made of soft materials such as copper, aluminum or carbon in order to the most of the wear may occur it rather than on the trolley wire. So the bow collector are operate in trailing position also. Hence it require provision with either duplicate bow or arrangement of reversing the bow of running in reverse direction generally. The, the bow collector is not suitable for railway work because the speed of railway is very high, 120 km per hour, and there are the speed very low according to the railway. So their current up to 3000 amperes is encountered. So it's so because the inertia of the bow collector is too high to ensure satisfactory current collection. So to implement this, there are one more collector created, pantograph collector. They are widely used in all over the railway system. They are the most important collector in use in railway system. Its function to its two main line link between overhead contact wire and the power circuit of the electric locomotive at different speed under all wind conditions. It means then the important role of wind also and stiffness of overhead equipment. It means that the positive pressure has to be maintained at all time of avoid loss of contact and sparking, but the pressure must be at low as possible in order to the minimize wear of overhead contact wire. If pressure is minimized overhead contact wire, so there are the long life use of this type of current collector. Its shape is just like a diamond type single pan pantograph collector is shown in figure. So there are the diagram. There are the pan. There are the supporting springs. It consists of pentagonal framework. Its shape is mainly pentagonal framework of high tensile alloy steel tubing. The contact portion consists of pressed steel pan fitted with the renewable copper wearing. So there are the pan renewable copper wearing strip which are forced against the for overhead contact wire by the upward action of pantograph spring. So the pantograph can be raised at the lower from the cabin air cylinders. So if the continue pressure on the conducting wire, so we can current collecting continuously all over the say, environmental situation according means the wind pressure and positive pressure is to be maintained at all time so to avoid the loss of contact.